Go.
Big box or small big box?
Big box.
Big box. It valves pretty easy, ain't much in there.
Not exciting. Oh, I don't know.
Do like one part, not very big. And then buy enough transmission top. Not a head or cylinder, I know that. Oh, I think I know this news. Prime. Yeah.
Oh, look, more boxes.
Yep.
Tatro's box shop.
I thought that's what it was going to be. So the guy sent me a transmission case for free for helping him out. I don't get paid for tech advice, but I get free parts every now and then.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I like free parts. So this is a 65 case. Makes it a panhead. It's got some chain-ish rubbage. It's got broken bosses over here. The drain plug probably leaked quite a bit, but it still has threads. That thread don't look the best, but it's not broken all through here, so that's a good sign.
That one's a little shiny.
Yeah, that's a big one. That's a 1/2 incher. Originally you started 3/8 studs, and then went to 7/16. This would have had 7/16 in it, and then the 1/2 inches are oversized. So that's probably what that's at too. Look at the different size between those two. Quite a big change. So let me go to this side. Obviously it's electric start case, aluminum primary for 65. You look through here, make sure there's no broke, no cracks, and run your finger through here, make sure it's still smooth. That means it's not all torn up. You know, the race isn't in here, so it's easy to check. So that feels good. And over here, you look for more breakage over here. So this thing's all been stripped down. Everything's off of it. I don't see anything really broken in here. The case isn't broken that I can see. That doesn't count. Breakage means through important parts.
Yeah.
To bearing holes and stuff that matters.
This is chipped up.
It's machined.
Oh.
There's no crack to it.
Awesome.
So when you put too big of a bolt in here, it'll pop the case through right here and have an oil leak. See that JB weld in there?
Oh, no way.
Yeah, your light's off on that too.
We got, okay.
Hit the light. It's on the side. Lower button. Keep going. There you go. Ooh, that got bright. And now you can see it. See JB weld? So when you put your bolt through here, too deep, it blows the top of the case out, and that'll be a nice built-in oil leak.
Right.
It goes right down the threads. It's not a sealed part. And they JB welded over here too. It's probably leaking out of the stud because they didn't have no bolt over there. See, it was leaking through here, so they put some goop in there too to try to seal it up. I'm assuming there's probably a crack that goes sideways because it's got a lot of JB weld in there. Oh well, it needs a little work, but the important parts of the case look good. Shifter rail here is not broken or chipped either. So all the important alignment stuff, counter shaft holes, main shaft holes, and shifting holes, everything looks good. You know, the bottom of the case hasn't been blown apart, so.
Not bad. How much?
So that's totally rebuildable.
How much?
Free.
There you go.
Well, it was
Great
free,
price.
It was free tech help, whatever that was. All right, there you go.